Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Quran quiz. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a name used for Makkah in the Quran? A. Makkah, B. Baytun Nabi, C. Baladul Amin, or D. Qurra. Baytun Nabi is not a name used for Makkah in the Quran. Question number 2. What was the first surah revealed in its complete form? A. Surah Al-Fatiha, B. Surah Al-Alaq, C. Surah Al-Nas, or D. Surah Al-Kawthar. Surah Al-Fatiha was the first surah revealed in its complete form. Question number 3. Who took on the responsibility of protecting the Quran? A. Angel Jibreel, B. Prophet Muhammad, C. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or D. The Muslim Ummah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala took on the responsibility of protecting the Quran. Question number 4. Which of the following is not the name of the Quran according to the Quran? A. Al-Furqan, B. Al-Kitab, C. An-Nur, or D. Al-Alim. According to the Quran, Al-Alim is not a name of the Quran. Question number 5. How many messengers are mentioned by name in the Quran? A. 400, B. 4, C. 25, or D. 70. 25 messengers are mentioned by name in the Quran. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.